Sweetie Film. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Patra10, Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. And your favorite plus size stylist is back with another day of VlogMas. Now, before we get right into this video, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell, so you can be notified because I drop a video every day for VlogMas, okay? 10 a.m. You don't want to miss it, okay? Now, on this channel, I create sneakers, luxury lifestyle, and plus size fashion, so this is the place to be for all of that. This video is sponsored by Journée Collection. Journée Collection has over 700 styles of shoes with wide calf and wide foot options. Now, in the footbed of the shoes, it is true comfort foam. That's like walking on clouds. And a little birdie told me they have Afterpay. We all love Afterpay. So don't walk, run down to the link in my bio. Use my code. You'll get a discount. Your girl says you're welcome, okay? Shop at Journée Collection for your favorite shoes. Bye. And we're going to show you some of their hottest pieces, okay? Okay, like you can't have a winter wardrobe if you don't shop from Journée Collection. Like, you cannot. This is so hard to choose them. Okay, so we want to do Livy, Jenny, or Daria. Should we go in alphabetical order? We're gonna go in alphabetical order. So we're gonna go with Daria first. So I love that their shoes have names to them. Okay, so we're gonna go with Daria first. This is the box that you'll get. Okay, and it says True Comfort Foam, and the insole. Our boxes are strong enough to ship on their own, which eliminates extra packaging, materials, and breakaways from wasteful industry practices. You can be sure that your new shoes will not only uplift you, but also your community. Box and tissue paper is made from 100% recycled materials, and I'm all for that. And this says it's a 9.5 wide calf red boot. Okay, I have been looking for a red boot for a while. Okay, and y'all know your girl's not into heels, but I had to have this one. I had to have this one. I did. So we just gonna show you. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me. Look at that. You cannot tell me. Look how cute this is. Look at that. Okay, and then we're gonna get into the zipper, which zips right on down, right on in there. Okay, I want to say that when I tried these shoes on, I was a little nervous because I'm like, oh, look at that heel. The heel is not even 2 inches. It's not 2 inches. Y'all, it's not 2 inches. When I tried the Daria red boots on, I had on straight leg faux leather pants. Y'all know that faux leather does not, it doesn't stretch. You know, you get what you get, right? We like faux leather for a reason. And it's not because of the stretch in the legs. It's just not that. Unless it's a legging. This was not like, this was a pant. But when I said I could tuck my whole, I could tuck my whole pant in the shoe. Well, this color is right for your holiday season. Y'all, because we wearing red. One thing we're going to do is we're going to wear red. And this is beautiful. The leather is nice and soft. It's not like crunchy. Like I've had leathers where it's like crunchy. And this leather is not nice. It's not crunchy. It's very soft. I love the detail on the entrance of when you put your foot in. Both shoes has a zipper on it all the way down to the sole of the shoes. Now, I've worn these, like I said, with the white faux leather pants, and I just thought, like, baby, you couldn't stop me. This right here, baby, I felt uber sexy. Uber sexy. Uber sexy. These were gorgeous. If you're looking for a red thigh-high boot, because a red thigh boot is sexy all year round. It's really good for the holiday season because, you know, red is like the color, you know, for Christmas. But red is it's a very sexy boot. Like, this is a very sexy boot. So if you know, you know. Just saying. Now the next shoe I'm gonna try out is Jenny. It's a 9.5 and it's gray. Same type of boxing. And the inside, I'm gonna say, like, now that I'm thinking about it, like, I like that there was no packaging outside of the boxes of shoes. You just had the boxes of shoes. So I really like that part. Like, you know what you're getting. So these are the next style of shoes. Y'all know I eat this style up. I eat this style up. Now, if we're talking about comfortability, this is the shoe for comfortability. And when you talk about comfortability, you want it to be stylish. Because a lot of times people think, oh, if it's really comfortable, it's not stylish. Can we give this shoe a round of applause for both? Can we give this shoe a round of applause for both? So, first, I want to talk about the elasticity here. When I say I was able to just slip my foot in here, like, slip my foot in here. I love the detail on the bottom of the boot. And y'all know I'm all about details. The little details matter to me. Y'all know that. You know that. With the toe plate being black to match the aesthetic of the boot, and then the stretchiness. And then they also make sure you got a hook so you can just, as you grab this to slide your foot in, you're very easy on and off. Very easy on and off. I actually walked around in these for a while. And when I tell you that I was very comfortable, it was almost like I didn't know that I still had these shoes on. And so I have a few shoes like that, but I don't have a lot. And as a sneaker enthusiast or, a fashionista, you want to have comfortable shoes. These are in my top 2. These are definitely in my top 2. And y'all know how I feel about gray. Get at the bottom. Simplistic, but it's a heavy hitter, right? It's a heavy hitter. Oh man, I love this shoe. Y'all knew. Don't act like y'all didn't know. So we have a leopard print booty. Let's get into this leopard print booty. I have been wanting a mini, as you see the heel, I have been wanting a mini heel or 1-inch anklet booty with a zipper for some time. Now, I wasn't sure that I could get it in a print. I was looking for like a nude color, which is like some shade of brown that I could just wear, with multiple different things. If there was an event that I needed to dress up for, because y'all know I'm a sneakerhead, I had something very chic, very classy, sophisticated that I could throw on. Hello? Father, can you hear me? Come on. Come on. Like, not only did I get the chicness, classy, simple, but it also came with my favorite print. And we all know this shade of a leopard print with the different shades of monochromatic browns goes with everything. Like, any and everything. So I was just like, this is a hit. This is a hit. Yes, so that is the reason why I chose this. This is called Living. It is a size 9. Now, the other 2 shoes were a size 9.5. I actually should have got them in a 9, and this is a 9.5. I will say it was not difficult, but I did have to go to zip them in the back, and I could not wear any any socks with them, which I know I'm big on my socks. So I did get them zipped up. However, a 9.5 would have been better for me. Outside of that, this shoe was spot on. It was very cute on my foot because I was scared it was going just, I guess, be wide or long. I don't know what I thought, but I thought wrong. It looked really cute on my foot. It was comfortable. I felt like with it, the little heel, I felt like I could walk in a long time. Now, I didn't get the opportunity to walk in for a long period of time. And my idea of a long period of time in shoes like this would be like 3 to 4 hours. Okay? I didn't get that long of an opportunity to walk in them. So that's my bad. However, outside of maybe sizing up a half a size, just give you that extra room to wear socks if you're going to wear them in the wintertime. I think that this is the perfect starter shoe for someone who is wanting to go into like wearing some type of heel or a classier shoe. This is the starter shoe, or this is the shoe. This is the shoe. This is the shoe. It's not too high in heel height. It's simplistic. The monochromatic browns allows the shoe to go with any and every type of style and look. Okay, it's really, really cute on the foot. It's comfortable, easy access to put on. So Journey's collection definitely put a lot of effort in styling a shoe that not only looked good, that was easy to put on, but then looked good on your foot. This is that. As you see with the other two shoes that I got, they were a solid color for the most part, and you know, you kind of know what you're getting. When you have anything with a print on it or has a different type of texture, you know, you've got to work a little bit harder to make sure it is simplistic, it looks good, it feels good. You guys know. And Journey's collection definitely has done that. I can actually say, from a person who buys sneakers, these shoes were very reasonable. And you still have more than enough time to shop for the holidays. So go over, click the link in my bio, get you guys some shoes. These type of shoes are for every type of girl. So if you have even a 4th and 5th grader, my daughter, who's 9 years old, was in love with these shoes. And she actually had some when she was like in kindergarten, 1st grade, with a little bitty heel, just like this. Just like this. And she was like, are those my shoes? No, girl, they not. So as far as, you know, little girls, we talking about 5th and 6th grade, these are a cute shoe to wear to the concert. Then we got high school girls. I know high school girls would love something like this, a nude shoe, you know, the red boot up the leg, or even the gray boot. These shoes are for every type of girl that can fit the, you know, sizes that we have available on Journey's collection. So shop now so you can get your stuff by Christmas. Tell them Patra10 sent you. Okay, so you guys know that I showed you 3 pair of shoes, right? I showed you Daria. That's that red that I have thing. I showed you Daria, you guys, which was a thigh-high boot, which just was gorgeous. That came up to my thighs. You guys know I'm a plus-size baddie, so having that like comfortability come all the way up to my thigh just made me feel some type of way. And then we had Jeannie. Jeannie was a ankle platform boot with the toe play, and the true comfortability was just was there. It was there. It was instant. It was there. And then we have Livy. Livy gave style, it gave simplistic, it gave chic, it gave classy. Like, that's every girl's dream wrapped up in 3 shoes. Like, come on, right? Y'all, if you haven't been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified. I do drop a video every day because it's VlogMas. 10 a.m. to be exact. On this channel, we talk about sneakers, luxury, lifestyle, and fashion, y'all. And this is the place to be for all of that.